Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to the course. This is just a brief check-in. I know this is the first week, so you'll have plenty of time to explore the features of this course and learn a little bit more about law and ethics. I just want to do a brief overview. You're in Module 1 for this week, and I'll post some information about when Module 1 starts and when it ends very soon. Forward to the course syllabus section of this law and ethics material, and you'll be able to find here your course schedule and also your course syllabus. So if you look at the course schedule, you'll be able to see week 1, chapter 1, the review, and then your course review questions, which are due the majority of the weeks. It's multiple choice. You'll see more information about that in the module, but those are due by 8:14 at midnight. Jumping back to the course content section, you'll be able to see a community forum, a welcome video which you need to watch, and a start on legal research early video that you need to watch, along with chapter 1, which are all important for this week. A course overview will be in the Welcome to Law and Ethics, so don't think that this is the only video that you have explaining the course, but I look forward to making sure that you have the information that you need. More information here about me. I'm looking forward to teaching you in regards to what you might be used to in law and ethics and learning more about law and ethics in healthcare. So I think it's important to take your time with this course, have fun. It's not super complicated. I think you'll get a lot out of it. And I think, of course, if you try hard and submit your work on time, you don't have anything to worry about. But I look forward to working with you this year, and over the next couple of months. I know we'll communicate regularly, and if you need anything, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm always available via email. Try not to message me on Blackboard because sometimes those messages get lost in translation. So just send me an email or feel free to set up a Zoom conference with me. This is an online course, so the lectures will be online. Our communication will be online. There won't be anything on ground, but if you need me to talk to you individually, I'm happy to do that. I'm here like any other professor would be on the ground, and I'll do everything I can to support you to make this journey successful. If you need anything, don't hesitate to reach out. I look forward to working with you over the next few months. Thanks so much.